For this clay, it does not involve any flour. There's no flour in it at all. There's only baking soda and cornstarch and some water. It is a clay that you can air dry, but you can also bake it in the oven if you want your projects done a little bit quicker. So for the recipe, it's super simple. Get a medium pot. Mine's a little bit big, but it'll still work. And you're gonna just combine those three things. 3/4 of a cup of water with a cup of baking soda and a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Mix it over medium heat. You want to make sure that you get all the clumps out that you can. Make it nice and smooth. It will be very liquidy right now, but that's why we're heating up the mixture. Now what I'm looking for is for my dough to look kind of like smooth mashed potatoes. Right now it's still a little liquidy, but it just started heating up, so I'm going to keep mixing it so it doesn't burn on the bottom. You can see there's clumps that are starting to form. You can see some of it's really starting to look like mashed potatoes, but there's still some areas that are liquidy. So I'm gonna take it off the heat for a minute and stir the liquid in and see if it looks like it's finished enough. Yeah, I think that's done. So again, once you have mashed potatoes, take it off the heat. And if you go a little too far, you'll see it starts to change color a little bit. You can see that right there. That's orange. It turned a color, but that's okay. I mean, I'm probably going to paint this clay anyway, so not a big deal. Just make sure once it really starts to clump up, you might want to take it off the heat a little earlier than you think, because you just saw I was able to mix in my liquid pretty well. Now you're going to take your mashed potato clay, stick it in the bowl, kind of ball it up if you can, and then we need to let this cool before we can use it. You can already see it's starting to stick together really nicely. And then cover it with a damp cloth or plastic wrap. Now I just gotta wait.